Our next unit in competition in Class 2A is the Shades Valley WinterGuard from Birmingham, Alabama.
Go Valley!
Guards managed by Mary Smith. The Navy officers are Allison Truitt, Celadise Marshall, Brandeis Burns, and Raven Moore. Shades Valley is proud to present their 2009 program, Always Time. Are the judges ready?
Go Shades!
Is the guard ready? Shades Valley WinterGuard, you may take the floor in competition.
Hold a chest to the inside, like a crack in the wall. I'm starting small, growing time, and we all seem to need the help of someone else to mend that shelf of too many books. Read me your favorite line.
Yeah.
Papa went to other lands. He found someone who understands the ticking, the rested man's need to cry. He came back the other day. I know some things in life may change, and some things they stay the same. But time is always time on my mind. So pass me by. I'll be fine. Just give me time. Older gents sit on the fence with a cap in hand, looking grand.